Hey guys, what's up? I'm Shamila and you're watching Shimi's Kitchen. So today I'm making Kaleji Tikka Masala. We often make Kaleji ka salan or Kaleji Masala as a side dish, right? But this recipe is different. This recipe resembles to chicken Tikka Masala. It tastes amazing and very easy to make. So let's start making this Kaleji Tikka Masala. Kaleji has a thin membrane on it. Always remove that membrane and then cut into cubes. And now rinse thrice before you start cooking. In a pressure cooker, add cleaned Kaleji cubes, goes in 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Give this a nice mix. And I'm going to close the lid and pressure cook for 3 whistles. Don't add water. Till then I'll make tikka masala. In a bowl, add 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste, 1 tablespoon curd, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon roasted cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon chaat masala, pinch of red color, it's optional, half teaspoon roasted and crushed kasuri methi, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon salt, adjust as per your taste. And now give this a good mix and set this aside. And now you can see this Kaleji is cooked. And next I'm going to add this Kaleji to tikka masala. Mix this nicely and set this aside for 10 minutes. Always soak skewers for 30 minutes before you use. And now thread the Kaleji onto the soaked skewers. You should have between 2 to 3 sticks. Once done, set this aside for 10 more minutes. Heat 2 tablespoon oil in a pan. Now place the Kaleji skewers on it. Apply leftover masala on top. Cook for about 5 minutes on each side. Cook till masala sticks to the Kaleji. Once done, remove this Kaleji skewers. You can also grill it for few seconds once you are done with pan fry. And you can also give a charcoal smoke. It's optional. Spicy dry Kaleji tikka masala recipe is now ready to serve with some onion and lemon wedges. This one doesn't require elaborate cooking. You just have to cook the Kaleji in all these spices till then and fry them. A quick and easy recipe that looks amazing. Tikka recipes are absolutely loved when served as a starters. So guys, try this out and let me know how it turned out for you. And follow us for more short recipes and updates on our Instagram page shimis.kitchen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you with more amazing recipes. Take care, stay safe and have a nice day.